move your body to the rhythm of the djembe. Let yourself loose and let your body go to the music of the djembe till you lose control. Everybody move your body to the rhythm of the djembe.